Hello Sparkle people! Up next is a silicone type gel case that I'm going to be working on in honor of our 16th year of being in business as CrystalNinja. And so I'm going to use I printed a laser clear shipping label or decal, and I'm going to stick it on the inside of this case, and then it will show up mirrored. And I'll use that for my template because not everybody has a Cricut, not everybody has ways to make those super nice vinyl decals. So just having a laser printer, even an inkjet, put it on a sticker, put it on the inside of your clear case, use it for a template, and that's what I'll use to trace. And I'll be using our Samurai Glue Kit, and I have a helpful tip, is to store your primers in a cup. I of course have dumped this a few times and ruined the table below it, so that's one of the reasons why we don't allow chemicals like this in our workspace, because they can burn everything. So be careful with that stuff. It's some pretty strong stuff. And so we'll just get into it. It's a very quick process. I've already prepped this case, sanded it, cleaned it. I shouldn't be touching it with my fingers. And I'll put my other glove on. And we'll make this a super cute little fast time-lapse project using the CrystalNinja Samurai Glue Kit. We have the glue on this side and the primer on this side, so you'll see me dipping into that every now and then. All right, you guys, enjoy. Okay, so I finished with the rainbow rose. It looks quite lovely. I did like a little contour fill and then came back in with the super itty bitty SS4s and 3s in those little gaps. It makes it for a fun little sprinkly look. And so I removed the decal that was on the inside. It's, again, just a laser print. You can do inkjet, of course. It's just going to be for your template. It's not meant to stay on there. It's also why I didn't glue onto it, because the glues can affect the decals, the stickers, the ink, and the toners. So sometimes toner is way better. You could totally glue on top of that, and we do a lot of times. But for this technique, I wanted to remove it just so I could see that pretty pink of the actual cell phone through this clear case. And look how that rainbow rose just glows. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. So now let's add in, and you can see it's scratched up because I primed the surface by sanding it and cleaning it with the alcohol that does come in your Samurai Glue Kit, as well as the glue and the primer. And so we'll just do a little sprinkle fill throughout the number and kind of fade it out to the edges, and we'll go from there. So let's go to the next step. And that will complete a simple design of this cell phone case. Thank you all for your sparkle and positivity during this 16-year journey, and stay tuned for more to come.